Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than normal. I'm going to be building a sand/water table. For this project, really, you only need a few things. For me, I'm using 1/2-inch PVC, and I've got about 30 feet of this, and they come in 10-foot lengths. 1/2-inch T-joint, T-fitting here, all of them slip or socket connections. And again, another 1/2-inch 90-degree angle, 90-degree elbow with side outlet. I also, to cut everything, I'm going to be using a PVC cutter tool, multi-purpose. And then I've got my tub here as well. So at the end of the video and in the description, I will provide a list of all the cuts and fittings that are needed for this project. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by cutting all my pieces to length here. Now that I have all my pieces cut, I'm just going to go ahead and start laying out and put together my base. So first I'm going to take two of my 31-inch pieces and lay them out. Then I'll take my 90-degree elbows and I'll place one on each end. Come on there like that. Take two of my 13-inch here. Okay, now that I got my base put together, I'll take my 10-inch pieces here. Just put one on each corner. So now that I got my base built, I'm going to go ahead and set that off to the side, set it around. Now I'm going to build my middle rack. So we'll start our shelf by building all four corners, and each of those four corners is going to be a 9.5-inch piece, a T fitting, and a 3-inch piece. And then I'm going to take another T fitting. I'm going to build my middle piece, which is going to be two T fittings and a 13-inch piece. And I'll take my 9.5-inch fitting. Other T fitting and another 13-inch piece here. So these will be 13-inch crossbars here. Then I'm going to take another one of my corner pieces and just stick it on the end of that. We're going to take our 9.5, put it in between. We'll take again our next piece, 9 T and 2.5 or 3. Put that in there. We'll bring our base up. If you found this video helpful so far, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you get alerted as soon as the newest videos come out. So now we'll go ahead and set this off to the side again. We'll start building our top here. Take our 31-inch pieces. Put our outlets on the end there. Now I am adjusting this, and I'm going to put actually the T in the middle because I'm going to branch out and actually put some waterfalls and stuff on top of this thing. But for this video, if you do not want to do this, all you're going to need is to put 2 more 13-inch pieces there, and this will go right on top. But like I said, for me, I'm going to do it a little differently. So I'm going to take a 6-inch piece right there. Take another 6-inch. So now I'm going to bring up my bottom section here, top section. So now we can take our... Alright, if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on notifications so you get alerted as soon as the newest videos come out.